What are you moving at? What? The delivery.
Check it out.
Inspect it. What do you think? Is it for me?
Yeah, it says Jodie, not Key.
Does it say gearbox? No, it doesn't. It is for me, monkey, not for you. Sorry.
Oh dear. What's he done? No present for you.
Not all
That's
deliveries
not
are for you.
good enough, is
Oh, you
it?
look so sad.
Oh dear. Should have been for him, shouldn't it? Poor
Not all
baby.
deliveries are for you, monkey. I
They
know you think
are.
they should be.
Oh dear, you're upset now. Come to me because you're upset. Because she's gone and had a parcel instead of you.
You can help me open it, but it's just plastic, so it's not that fun. You want to open it? Yeah? Oh, it's a sad face. What's the sad face about? Nibbler? You can help me open it. Don't you ignoring me?
Oh, look at the sad face. Oh dear.
Is that obviously I'm ignoring you?
Is it her fault? Parcel should say Key on it, shouldn't it? All parcels.
Okay. You got your puppy eyes out. Do you want to help me open it and find out what's inside? Do you want to help? Yeah? Do you want to help? Yeah, do you want to help? Come on. Come here. You don't need to smell what's inside. I know there's nothing interesting in there. But do you want to help? Come here. Please, open that. Oh, okay.
Drinking.
I don't know what it is. What's this? Do you know what it is? Oh, now you get your nibblers out. Now I've actually taken it out of the bag. You weren't very helpful with me getting it out.
Poppy stuff. You don't like poppy stuff, do you?
He does if he's making it.
Leaving.
Where are you going then? I'll get into this,
From
please.
the poppy noise.
I need your nibblers. I need your help. I can't get in.